Welcome to Life with Carrie. This is the all-new WACOOL Smart Robot Vacuum Cleaner on Amazon, and it says to make your life easier. So this is comparable to a Roomba, but it is a more affordable option. The price right now on Amazon is $159. So like I said, it is a more affordable option for you than a Roomba. I know previously I did a review on the Roomba $6.94, so this is a little bit cheaper than that. So we'll go ahead, we'll unbox it, but we'll take a look at the back of the box as well. So it says to make your life easier, the visualization map, auto cleaning, non-stop cleaning, easy to go, and auto charging. So you control it through the app, it's Wi-Fi. We'll go ahead, we'll open up the box and see what's inside. Alright. So this is exactly how it looks as soon as you get it out of the box. It comes with some instructions. It's packaged pretty nicely. Here's the unit itself. The box itself was pretty light, so the unit itself is not that heavy at all. So we'll put that over aside right here. Everything's all individually wrapped in plastic. So that's the charging unit right there. Here's the plug for the wall. We have the remote control. And it comes with the replacement parts for it. It comes with replacement brushes, so you can see it has multiple brushes in there. So we'll take those out. Right there, the spinning brush. So you get 4 of those. Alright. And then we also get some batteries with it, which I'm assuming that these are for the remote. So, over here, we have the filter, and that is it. So we have everything out of the box. So we'll go ahead, we'll set this stuff aside. Alright, so we'll go ahead and we'll get this open, and we'll take a look, and we'll see how it works. So stay tuned. Alright, so we flipped the unit over. It looks exactly like this. And there's these 2 foam things. We just have to take those out because it just says remove these before use. So just make sure you do take those out before you use it. And up here you see you have those 2 little knobs. So you want to put the spin brushes up there before using. So you just connect them right on. They're kind of square shaped, so just make sure you line them up before you put them on, and they should just pop right on, just like that. There you go. So we'll get those on, and the remote is right here. So right there, the 2 batteries that came with it, we'll just pop those right in. And we'll get this ready to go. We'll get that filter in there, and we'll give this a quick charge, and we'll get this ready to go. So stay tuned. Okay, so one last thing I want to show you before we do charge it is how you take out the filter. And actually it does come with one additional filter. So we're going to go ahead right here. There's this little like a little clamp thing right here. You just kind of pull down on it and it comes right out. It looks like this. Just comes right out super easy. It's kind of hard to do with one hand, so I'm trying my best here, so just bear with me. Right in there, you could just take out your filter when you're ready, clean it, and then you can put the new one in. And then when you're ready to close it, and just go ahead and just pop it right back in. Like I said, with one hand, it's kind of hard. So there we go. We got it back in. Also, I was wondering why it was so incredibly shiny. They actually have like this clear plastic on top. You could just pull it right off. But even with the plastic pulled off, it is still like super shiny. It looks really, really nice. Like for a vacuum cleaner, you wouldn't even guess that this is a vacuum cleaner. It looks like very, very elegant. So I got it on video just to see if it would identify its home base on its own, even though it hasn't. And there we go. It went right in on its own, just like a Roomba would. Very cool. So we'll let this charge for a little bit, and we'll give it a couple hours, and then once it's done, we'll connect the Wi-Fi and we'll give it a go to see how it works. Alright, so stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching so far, and stay tuned to the end to see the results of this. So welcome back, and we've been letting it charge for about 2 hours, so we should be good to go ahead and get this started. So we got our handy dandy remote. So here we go.
Auto cleaning.
This is the first time using, so like a Roomba, it just has to become more familiar with your house. So it'll eventually get there. It's a robot, so it'll eventually determine the patterns of your house and everything. So just bear with it and give it some time. But I just wanted to let you know about the Wi-Fi too. There's an app for this, and I did download it on my phone. But you have to have a 2.4 gigahertz modem or router. If you don't, then it won't work. Because the one that we have is 5 gigahertz, and it doesn't work with that. It's not compatible. And I've tried over and over, but for some reason it doesn't recognize it. But even in the guide, the instructions, it says that it won't work with it. So the company did make it clear that it doesn't work with that, but that's fine. I mean, it still comes with that cool remote. It still works. You just can't control it from your phone like the Roomba if you have a 5 gigahertz modem or router. But yeah, it's pretty cool. So I'll let this run for a little bit, clean, and then I'll let you guys see what everything that it picked up. And then we'll use that little handy cleaning brush that came with to clean it out, so you can see how that works. On the remote, if you change it by pushing this button, you could change it to turbo, where it's more powerful. If you push that same button again, it goes to quiet mode. So if you want it like super quiet, it'll go very, very quiet. You push it one more time, it goes back to standard. So it has all those different modes, so I think that's a pretty cool feature. It even works good on shaggy carpets, like this, like longer ones, which is pretty cool. You know, even like maneuver like under the furniture to get into those little spaces that you can't always get with your regular vacuum, which is nice. So it comes with this cool cleaning brush. So it actually picked up like a lot of hair. So you could pull the hair out just by using this brush right here. It'll help you clean. Kind of difficult with one hand, so I'll go ahead and get this clean, and then we'll open up the filter to see what it picked up. And oh my lord, yes, it picked up a lot. So you just dump that out in your trash can, and yeah, then it's ready for the next round, and you get another one of these filters, which is very convenient. And I just want to let you know, we actually just vacuumed the whole upstairs like 2 days ago. So that it picked this all up in like, this is just in like 2 days worth. Yeah, so that's a lot of dust in pet hair to be picked up. So I would say it did a really good job. So I really like this product. So I hope you like it too, and I hope this review helps you out. So definitely comment, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more reviews on different Amazon products. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.